Good morning all of you. In the last video we have discussed about associative property for whole numbers and integers, and now we will be discussing about associative property for rational numbers. And first we will be discussing it with addition. And I am taking the rational numbers as, or we are going to do a plus b plus c, where a, b and c are rational numbers. Okay. So first let's write the first number as it is, and we have to do the things inside the bracket first. Okay. So what is 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3? You have to cross multiply them. That is, you can do 3 into 3 plus what is there, minus 4 into 7. You have to cross multiply. Okay. Divided by what is in the denominator, 7 and 3. That means 7 into 3. Okay. So let's write the first number as it is, plus what is 3 into 3? It's 9. 9 plus what is minus 4 into 7? It's minus 28. So minus 28 divided by what is 7 into 3? 21. Okay. Now minus 1 by 2 plus what is 9 plus minus 28? You have to subtract them. So subtracting will give what? 19, and you have to put the sign of bigger number. That means what? Minus 19. Minus 19 by 21. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to add them. Adding will give what? Minus 1 into 21 plus minus 19 into 2. Okay. Divided by 2 into 21. Okay. What is minus 1 into 21? It's minus 21. Minus 21 plus what is 19 into 2? It's 38. So minus 38. Okay. Divided by what is 2 into 21? It's 42. Okay. Now minus 21 plus minus 38 means what? You have to add them and put the negative sign. So adding means what? 38 plus 21 will give what? 59. So minus 59 by 42 will be our answer. Okay, minus 59 by 42. Now let's check the other one. That is what? A plus b plus c. Let's do that. So a plus b plus c means what? This was our question. So a plus b plus c means minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. Okay, this will be what? A plus b plus c. Okay, a plus b plus c. So let's do the things inside the bracket first. That is minus 1 into 7 plus 3 into 2. Okay, divided by 2 into 7. This will be inside the bracket. Plus what is there? Minus 4 by 3. Okay, plus minus 4 by 3. Writing as it is. Now what is minus 1 into 7? It's minus 7 plus what is 3 into 2? It's 6 divided by what is 2 into 7? It's 14 plus minus 4 by 3. Okay. This is inside this bracket. Now what is minus 7 plus 6? You know that it's minus 1. So minus 1 by 14 plus minus 4 by 3. Okay. That means what? Cross multiplying will give minus 1 into 3 plus minus 4 into 14. Okay. Divided by 14 into 3. Minus 1 into 3 plus minus 4 into 14 divided by, in the denominator, 14 into 3. So what is minus 1 into 3? Minus 1 into 3 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus what is 14 into minus 4? 14 into 4 means 16, 56. So minus 56. Okay. Minus 3 plus minus 56 divided by what is 14 into 3? 14 into 3 is 12, 42. So 42. Okay. Now what you have to do? What is minus 3 plus minus 56? You have to just add them. So minus 59 divided by 42. Minus 59 divided by 42. So here we got the answer as minus 59 divided by 42, and also here also we got the answer as minus 59 by 42. That means what you can say? You can say that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C for any three rational numbers A, B and C. Or you can say addition is associative for rational numbers. Addition is associative for rational numbers. Okay, only thing that you have to do is you have to do this first, that is A plus B plus C. Okay, here we have done A plus B plus C, and you got the answer as minus 59 by 42. Then we will be doing A plus B plus C. Okay, again you are getting the answer as what? Minus 59 by 42. Since both are equal, you can say that addition is associative for rational numbers. Okay, if you want, you can take more examples and see the result if they are equal or not. Okay, and you will get the answer as they are equal. Okay, now let's see the case with subtraction. So for subtraction, you have to check whether A minus B minus C is equal to or not. To what? A minus B minus C. Okay, you have to check it. So first let's do A minus B minus C. Okay, and I am taking the rational numbers as minus 2 by 3. Okay, minus, then inside the bracket I am taking minus 4 by 5 and what? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is what we are going to do. So we have to do the things inside the bracket first. So writing this number as it is. Okay, minus, inside the bracket you can write it as minus 4 by 5 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, both are equal. Okay, let's rewrite it in this way. So let's write the first number as it is and put the minus sign here. Now let's do this cross multiplication. So minus 4 into 2 plus minus 1 into 5. Okay, divided by, what is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 10. So 10. Or you can simply write here as 5 into 2 itself for easy understanding. Now let's write the first number as it is, minus, what is inside the bracket? Minus 4 into 2 is what? Minus 8. Okay, plus, what is minus 1 into 5? It's minus 5. Okay, divided by, what is 5 into 2? It's 10. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 minus, what is minus 8 plus minus 5? It's minus 13 divided by 10. So inside the bracket we got it as minus 13 by 10. Now let's do the remaining, that is minus 2 by 3. Instead of minus you can write plus, and what is the additive inverse of minus 13 by 10? It's what? It's 13 by 10. Okay, it's 13 by 10. So what will be the answer? Minus 2, just cross multiplying, minus 2 into 10 plus 13 into 3 divided by 3 into 10. Okay, so what is minus 2 into 10? It's minus 20 plus, what is 13 into 3? When you do it, you will get the answer as 39. Okay, divided by, what is 3 into 10? It's 30. Okay, now what is minus 20 plus 39? You have to subtract them and put the sign of bigger number. So you will get 19. 19 by 30 will be our answer. Okay, so when you do this, A minus B minus C, and you got the answer as what? Minus 19 by 30. Okay, now let's do what? Let's do A minus B minus C. Okay, so how will you write this A minus B minus C? You can write it as A minus B means what? Minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Okay. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. You can say this question. Question was this one. Minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So I am writing it in this way. Now let's do this. So let's do the things inside the bracket first. That is minus 2 by 3. We can change this minus to plus. That means what? This minus, instead of minus you can put plus. And what is the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5? It's 4 by 5. Okay, so you can write it in this way. Okay, minus 1 by 2. The same minus 1 by 2 you can write here. Now just cross multiply it. That is minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3. Okay, 4 into 3 divided by what is in the denominator? It's 3 into 5. Okay, minus 1 by 2. This is inside the bracket. Okay, now what is minus 2 into 5? It's minus 10 plus what is 4 into 3? It's 12 divided by 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Now what is minus 10 plus 12? It's 2 by 15. Okay, 2 by 15 minus 1 by 2. So you can write this as 2 by 15 plus what is the additive inverse of 1 by 2? It's minus 1 by 2. Now let's cross multiply this. Then you will get 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 15 divided by 15 into 2. That means what? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus what is 15 into minus 1? It's minus 15. Divided by 15 into 2 is 30. What is 4 plus minus 15? It's minus 11. So minus 11 by 30 will be the answer. So here you got the answer as what? Minus 11 by 30. And here the answer was what? 19 by 30. That means what? Both are different. Okay, both are different and the answers are different. That means you can say for any three rational numbers a, b and c, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c, or you can say subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Okay, so that is the conclusion we are getting. Now let's see what is the case with multiplication. Okay, and I am taking the numbers as what? Minus 7 by 3 as the first number, minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into what? 2 by 9. 5 by 4 into 2 by 9. Okay, that is what? A into B into C. Okay, so let's do that in this way. Okay, so we need to do the things inside the bracket first. So minus 7 by 3 into, okay, what is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 10. Now what is 4 into 9? 4 into 9 is what? 36. So 10 by 36 we will get. So you can write this as minus 7 by 3 into 10 by 36. 10 by 36 can be reduced further. How will you reduce it? Minus 10 by 36. If you divide this 10 by 2 means what? 10 divided by 2. Similarly 36 divided by 2. Then what will be the answer? 5 by 18. Okay, so here instead of 10 by 36 you can write 5 by 18. Now you can just multiply the denominators and numerator. So minus 7 into 5 means what? Minus 35. Minus 35 divided by what is 3 into 18? 3 into 18 or 18 into 3. What will be the answer? Answer will be 54. So minus 35 by 54 will be the answer. Okay. Now let's check what? A into B into C. Okay, now let's check this. This was our question. So minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into what? 2 by 9 into 2 by 9. Okay. So what is minus 7 into 5? Minus 7 into 5 is minus 35. Minus 35 by 12. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. Into 2 by 9. So this will be equal to what? What is minus 35 into 2? That is minus 70 divided by what is 12 into 9? What is 12 into 9? 18. 108. 108. Okay. So if you divide both sides by 2, then what you will get? If you divide both sides by 2, you will get the answer again as what? Minus 35 by 54. That means what? Here you got minus 35 by 54. Here also minus 35 by 54. That means what? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, that means multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Okay, this simplification, and or if you find any difficulty in simplifying this rational number, means we can do a separate video on simplification, then it will be more comfortable for you. Okay, so this is all about associative property for rational number with what? Multiplication, in the case of multiplication. Okay, so you found that multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now let's see what is the case with division. Okay. Now for division, for any three rational numbers A, B and C, you have to check what? A divided by B divided by C, whether it's equal or not to A divided by B divided by C. Okay. And first we will be going to do A divided by B divided by C. And I am taking the questions as 1 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. Okay, this is our A, B and C, which are rational numbers. Okay, so you have to do the things inside the bracket first. So let's write the remaining things as it is. What is inside the bracket? Minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. So instead of this division, you can convert it into multiplication. That is minus 1 by 3 into what is reciprocal of the second, which is 2 by 5. What is reciprocal of 2 by 5? It's 5 by 2. Okay, so you can write it as, okay, so 1 by 2 divided by, what is minus 1 into 5? It's minus 5. What is 3 into 2? It's 6. So minus 5 by 6. Okay, now let's convert this division again into multiplication. So let's write the first number as it is. Instead of division, you can put multiplication sign. Then what is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6? It's 6 by minus 5. Okay, now let's do the multiplication. That is 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Okay, if you reduce it further, you will get what? That is dividing both sides by 2. Then what is 6 divided by 2? It's 3. What is minus 10 divided by 2? It's minus 5. So our answer will be 3 by minus 5. Okay. Now we have to do A divided by B divided by C. Okay. That means according to our question, it will be what? This was our question. So it will turn into 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3. Okay, this will be inside the bracket, divided by 2 by 5. Okay, the question will be becoming in this way. Okay, now let's do the things inside the bracket first. Okay, so what is inside the bracket? 1 by 2. Instead of this division, you can convert it into multiplication. Now what is the reciprocal of minus 1 by 3? It's 3 by minus 1. Okay, 3 by minus 1 divided by 2 by 5. That is writing the remaining things as it is. Now what is 1 into 3? It's 3. What is 2 into minus 1? It's minus 2. So 3 by minus 2 divided by 2 by 5. Okay. Now again let's write the first number as it is. Instead of division you can put into. What is the reciprocal of second, which is 2 by 5? It will be 5 by 2. Now let's do the multiplication, that is 3 into 5 is 15 divided by what is minus 2 into 2, it's minus 4. So minus 15 by 4 or 15 by minus 4, or you can write it as what, minus 15 by 4, both are correct. So in the second case you got it as minus 15 by 4, but in the first case the answer was 3 by minus 15. That means what, both are not equal, or you can say A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. Or you can say division is not associative for rational numbers. Okay. So you can take more examples and do, then only you will be thorough with this associative property. You have to take more examples and do with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here I have taken only one example, but you have to take more examples and practice it. Okay. Now let's conclude all these points. So this is our conclusion. Addition and multiplication are associative for rational numbers, and subtraction and division are not associative for rational number. Okay, this was our third property, that is associative property, and the conclusion is the same for all numbers, that is integers, rational numbers, whole numbers and natural numbers. For all the four numbers we have found that addition and multiplication are associative, whereas this division as well as subtraction are not associative. Okay, so this is all about the third property, which is associative property for rational numbers. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.